So guys, in today's video, I'm just going to be installing a full lace wig on my client. She's going to be wearing our Maya straight unit. So right now I'm just pushing back and slipping back all of her edges so they don't get caught in any glue. And I'm just using the Got2b freeze spray to do that. So now I'm just going to start to affix her bald cap and making sure that I push all of her edges and everything back, and then using the freeze spray, the Got2b freeze spray, to stick that down. When you're going around the ears, you want to make sure that you don't let it run down, because you don't want it to get caught under their ears or anything like that. So try to control the spray as you're spraying it around the client's perimeter. So to speed up the process, I'm just taking a blow dryer and going around and making sure that the entire cap is dry, because you can't move on to the next step, which is cutting the excess cap off until it's completely dry. Otherwise, what you will find will happen is that cap will just roll back up. If you're having some issues with it sticking around the ear, just go ahead and use your rat tail comb or anything like that and press it as it's drying, and it will secure it to the client's skin. And we're going to go ahead and use Bold Hold Cream for the application today. So I'm going to use a mini popsicle stick to put down the Bold Hold Cream, and I'm just doing it in thin layers. The client wants a week or two hold for this application, so I'm going to be putting down 3 layers of the Bold Hold Cream. I'm making sure that each layer is spread thinly and that it dries clear before moving on to the next step. And around the ears and the back of the neck, we'll be using an additional Bold Hold lace tape, because those areas are prone to lifting faster and easier. So that's just a little extra protection for around the ears and the back of the nape of the neck. So I'm just going ahead and using my tweezers to remove that the top layer of the lace tape. If you've got long fingernails, you might be able to do it that way, but I don't, so I just use the tweezers. Plus it gets into the edges easier. You've got to be careful when you're lifting up that tape, the tape cover, because you can easily pull the tape and it will cause a kink. So just be careful when you are removing the strip off of the lace tape. Sorry for the butt shot here. Whoopsies. So we're going ahead and laying her wig down the front of the wig. We are using clips at the front of her hair to pull back any stray hairs that may be in the front of the wig, so those don't get caught in the glue. And then we're just using the rat tail comb to press that lace into the glue. Once you've laid down your lace, you can go back to see if there's any areas that you've missed that don't have glue, and then you just take the edge of the rat tail comb and add any little bits of glue to that area so that you can fill in those gaps. Once we're done with the front, then we'll move on to laying the lace in the back of the unit. So we have tied down her edges with our satin Heavenly Locks head wrap. You can get those on our website at www.heavenlylocks.com, and those are perfect for laying your edges. So now we're just going to go ahead and cut in a few sideburn baby hairs. Once you lay your lace really well, you don't need to have baby hairs all along the front of your hairline. So we're just going to do a little bit of the swoops at the very side by her sideburns for the look that we're going for today. But other than that, there won't be any baby hairs because there's no need when the lace is melted. As you can see, we've got great lighting coming into our showroom. So if you're in the greater Vancouver area, come on down. We do installs in the showroom. The lighting is beautiful. It's a nice, comfortable, modern, clean environment. And we will lay that lace for you and have it melted and have you looking like a superstar when you leave. So like I mentioned before, this is our Southeast Asian straight unit. The unit is called Maya, and you can get her on our website by searching Maya, M-A-I-A. We have the option, if you want to have your knots bleached, we can go ahead and do that for you. You'll see that when you're ordering, and we always pre-pluck all of the units. So now we're just going in, doing a little bit of fine-tuning adjustment to the hair with our flat iron, and here is the final result. Look at that hairline, guys. It looks like a fresh relaxer. Just beautiful, and our client is gorgeous. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I appreciate you watching. Bye.